Hello everyone and welcome to this Intuit Credit Karma review. Credit Karma is owned by Intuit, the same company that owns TurboTax. Credit Karma helps you understand what goes into your credit score and net worth and how to improve both. You can track your net worth, manage income and expenses, monitor your debt, and pay bills. Its unending recommendations for financial products can be intrusive. However, it's among the list of best budgeting and personal finance apps. Another way Credit Karma helps you monitor your finances is with alerts. You can request notifications via email, in the app, or on your mobile device to tell you about data breaches or identity theft, changes to your account or credit report, and also information related to your Credit Karma profile. Credit Karma has numerous security features, and they include higher encryption, multi-factor authentication, and security questions. Like any other personal finance app, Credit Karma automatically signs you out after a period of inactivity. Now, with every service, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons. With the pros, we can mention that Credit Karma is free. It also has a bill tracking and payment system. It also helps you with Save and Spend accounts credit builder. There is also the new Intuit Assist, which is an AI-powered financial assistant that's being integrated into the Credit Karma platform. It also has good support such as Help Center, email support, community forum, and social media. One positive review is that Credit Karma is worth it because it allows you to see notifications of changes on your report and can allow you to take action if someone is trying to steal your identity. And now to the cons. It has minimal transaction details, no budgeting, and in some cases you have to refresh each account individually. And one review we found in the con area is that Credit Karma is very slow at reporting correct information. And this means you have to wait for a while, refresh, restart the app to get the right information. Do note that Credit Karma's offers are not an exhaustive list of financial service companies and products. It only helps you to understand what goes into your credit score and net worth and help you to improve. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.